Hey everybody. I don't know if my recording is working down with me or not. I don't see it on there or not. But anyway, we're going to go over what to do in your virtual office. I'm just going to touch on this just a little bit. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log on. So go to plexusworldwide.com and you're going to click sign in, which is that little person. Okay, now, very important. If you are an old ambassador and you have not logged into your virtual office yet, you're going to have to use your old login and your password, and then it will prompt you to change it to your email address. Okay, so you're going to do that first. So you're going to need your old username and your password, and then it will prompt you to go into your to change your username to your email. Okay. Okay, so we do that. Now, I've logged in. I'm signed in here. So if I click over here, I'm going to go to virtual office. But what we're going to do first is we're going to talk about your subscriptions. So you can go up here to your initials in the circle, and you're going to click on My Account. And you'll have to give it, well, at least I have to give it a second because it's Windstream. Okay, so you're going to click on My Account, and in just a few minutes, you're going to see, okay, so it says, hi, Robin. So here are my subscriptions. This is my subscription. So this is an every month thing. I get these every single month, the same things every month. So if you want to edit those, you're going to go to your subscription. Like this one over here was a one-time thing, okay? So this one, you're going to go to View and Edit. So this is going to show you everything that you have in your subscription. Now, this is very important. If you want to change your date, you can change your date here. You click on that, and it pulls it up, and you change it to whatever you want it to be. Okay. Now, what I want to talk to you about is definitely your subscriptions. When you're an ambassador, especially since you have joined as an ambassador, you want to take full advantage of the pricing, the wholesale pricing that Plexus gives you. Okay, so let's say that you ordered a triplex. Okay, so I've ordered my triplex. I put my triplex on my subscription, and I get it. And your Slim is going to last you for 1 month. It's one a day. So that's going to be for 1 month. So you take that for the whole month, okay? Now, let's just say that you only took one of the ProBio 5s and you only took 2 of the BioCleanse. Well, those 2 products will last you 2 months, which is perfectly fine. I take 2 ProBio 5s and 4 BioCleanse, so that's a month's supply for me. Now, if that case is you want to go in your next month for your subscription and you want to purchase your Slim. You want to purchase your Slim, and then you want to purchase 2 other products. You might want to try the Mega X, okay? You might want to try the X Factor, okay? So that's going to give you that will give you 130 PV. And so remember, for January, February, and March, when you have 130 PV, then you are eligible for free shipping. So the Slim, the Mega X, and the X Factor, that's your 130. Actually, that's a little bit more. Actually, if you just bought your, actually, the Slim is, I was thinking triplex, but your Slim, your Mega X, and your X Factor, that should be about 130 PV. So you would get free shipping for the month, okay? So then you use that. You've used all your ProBio 5 and your BioCleanse for that month. So then you go in and you change your subscription to your triplex again, okay? Because the thing, the way that Plexus works, it does heal our gut, and it does give you energy and make you feel better, but you have to be consistent. You have to take these products every single day. I started in the end of August 2015. I have not missed a day of any of my products. Even when I had bronchitis, I was still taking my accelerator. I was still taking my Slim, my vitamins and everything that I needed. I've actually doubled up on the ProBio 5 and the Bio Cleanse. So I have kept my subscription on from day one, okay? And that's what you want to do. You want to be successful. I want you to be successful because it's going to help you especially if you're going to do the business, it's going to help you because it's going to make you commission qualified. But it also helps your upline because we get points for you. And I'm going to talk about the points in just a minute, okay? So it's important, most of all, it's important to keep it on just so you are being consistent and you are successful. So anyway, so what you do, if you want to edit, you can remove these, you can change them. Okay, so like this month, see, for February, I'm not going to need the Bio Cleanse and the probiotic. So all I ordered was the Slim and the Accelerator, just so that I have that every single time. Okay, so what you would do is you could go here and you would add a product to your subscription. And then it's going to pull up the different products for you to choose from. Me explaining this may take the whole time. I may have to do another one some other time. Okay, so I go through and I can go through and choose the ones that I want, okay? And you choose the one that you want and then you update it and that's it. That's how you update your subscription. Now, if you are an ambassador and you have not turned your subscription on, because I know I have there are a couple of new ambassadors on our team that have not turned their subscription on, because when you sign up, sometimes it's a little difficult to see where you're supposed to turn it on. So this is what you're going to do. You are going to go to shop. So you're going to go into your office, go into the account, you're going to go to shop. And it'll take it a second. So give it a minute to adjust, because I think it'll pulls you up it pulls up the products at retail. So I don't want you to be surprised if you see that and you're thinking, well, I'm not getting a deal, because you are, okay? So sometimes it does that. So this time it didn't. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to shop. You're going to choose whatever products you are wanting. So I'm going to go to combos here and choose your Plexus Triplex. So we've added that, okay? Now, very important right here. If you only want this delivered to you once, then you click that. But you want a subscription because you want to be successful. So what you're going to do is you're going to click subscription, create a new subscription, okay? And so then you just add it. So you can add that and you go through everything. Okay, so I've added it to my subscription. So then you can go up to your cart and you can change your date to whatever day you want your subscription to come to you on. Okay, I would suggest between the 1st and the 29th. Okay, or the 1st and the 28th, because all months have 28 in them, have 28 days. Some after that are, I'm not going to go into that anyway. They all have 28 days in them. So the latest day that I would choose would be the 28th. Okay. So I'm not going to go through that. You guys know, you'll know how to order. So I'm going to remove this. So anyway, that is how you would set up your subscription, or you change subscription. Let me know if you have any questions about that. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this training and I'm going to log out of it, and then I'll come back with our virtual office training.